projector. We also learned how the image is formed in camera or eye, isn't it? Hello,
Yes,
Mohammad
sir.
Saad.
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
So we got three ray diagrams, right? Yesterday we got for camera or eye, that is this one, right? Then we got for projector. Finally, we got for magnifying glass. And also we got the properties of images, right? Will it be virtual or real? Will it be magnified or diminished? Will it be upright or inverted?
Yes, sir. It will be
This,
virtual,
this, yeah,
magnifying.
these properties we have to know, right? So, Qazi Zawad, one day, can you remember at the beginning when we started lens? Then you asked me, sir, after finishing the converging one, you said me, sir, won't we learn diverging? Yeah, Kazi. Hello, Kazi.
Not Kali, sir. It was me, sir.
Kazi was there. I saw he was joining. Kazi?
Yes, sir. Yeah, he joined.
Yeah, that day Kazi also asked, right? Yeah. So that day I told you, afterwards you will know, right? How the diverging lens is working. So you write the heading, action of diverging lens. Action of diverging lens.
What, sir?
You write the heading, action of
What headings, sir? Oh, sir.
action
Action
of
of diverging.
action of diverging lens. This heading you write. And try to understand this diagram. You see, in converging lens, after the rays are coming parallelly, you see the principal axis is here also. The rays are coming parallelly with principal axis. Then when these rays are crossing the lens, they are going away. They are going away. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So they are
Hello.
going away.
Sir, is
And
there any problem with the sound, sir?
yeah, I'm not getting you sound properly.
Sir, now you are getting my sound properly, sir. Hello.
Yes, now I'm getting. Now I'm getting. Yeah. You keep your microphone on always.
Yes, sir.
That
My
will be
microphone is
better.
on also.
Yeah, Kazi, you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Kazi, I was calling you. Now your microphone is working. So look,
Yes,
Kazi,
no, my internet was not
yeah,
working.
please write action of diverging lens. At the beginning, we got all converging lens. Now we are having diverging lens. Write this heading. Then you see the diagram. The rays are coming and diverging.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Muhammad Saad, you draw this diagram and follow my
Sir, only
explanation.
me, sir.
Not only you, everyone will draw. Everyone will follow. Okay, follow the instruction. You see, here we have the rays diverged.
Yes.
And if you extend this rays back, then you'll see on principal axis they are meeting on a point, and that point is the focal point of diverging lens. That point is the
Yes.
focal point of diverging lens.
Yes, sir.
So you also draw the extended lines with dotted, small discrete dotted lines, and you label here capital F, and the
Yes,
distance
sir.
from optical center O and the
Okay.
focal
Yeah.
point, it is focal length of the diverging lens.
So can you sir, I forgot the focal point length. Can you
Yeah,
explain me,
Sir.
sir? Oh,
I will
sorry,
explain.
remember the distance from the optical center
Distance from the optical
up to
center,
the
this one you see with
sir, up
arrow.
to the principal axis.
Which one is optical
Sir, to
center?
the
Uh, you see the
okay, sir.
middle point of the lens, right? O, you see labeled here. The center point of the lens, it is optical center.
Yeah.
Then F, here we see the diverging rays. If you are extending back, they are meeting on the principal axis. That point is known as focal point, right? So focal point and optical center, this distance is known as focal length. Is it clear now?
Sir, I'm like clear about the focal length. The focal point. Can you explain one more time?
Yes, focal point is for converging lens. You found the focal point where the light rays are intersecting each other, right? On the principal
Like the
axis.
principal axis. Oh,
Yes,
yes, sir.
that one
Understood.
is focal point. But for
It is the
diverging lens,
focal.
if you are extending back the diverging rays, you see the rays are diverged, they are moving away. So if you are extending these rays back with dotted lines, you see they are meeting a single point, that is F, on the principal axis. It is our focal point. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. It's absolutely clear, sir.
Okay, now if it is absolutely clear, then finish drawing. And after drawing is over, then you write this definition.
Yes.
Did you see the posting in G class, Google Classroom? There I mentioned the the topics or the things we are going to discuss today. Did you see that one? Google Classroom? What I mentioned there? Yeah,
Not sure.
Rabi, Rabi, what we mentioned there?
Sir, I saw how rays eye effect on eyes.
Yes, very good. That one, it is written there, short and long-sighted eye with correction, right? So
Yes, sir.
they who are using glasses for problems in their eyes, either they are short-sighted or long-sighted, right? That means they can see the far objects clearly. They are called long-sighted, like the old people. Okay, the far object they can see, but the newspaper they cannot. Is it clear? That's why they need reading glasses, that is used for, uh, the arrangement or the for the light rays refraction in the proper way in their retina. You know, the retina is working here as the screen. Do you understand? Hello? Retina of our eye is known as the screen. on that screen we are getting the image, and that image is going to our brain, then and we can see. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, so are you done with this drawing,
No,
labeling,
sir. No.
Shapkar?
No, no.
Okay, finish it, then we will go there. So in our class, who are using the glass? Farabi
I
is
am using
using,
the glass.
Mohammed Saad is using glass.
Yes.
Then who else? The young people, they have the problem with far sight. They can see the closer things properly, but the things which are far away they cannot see properly. That's why they are called short-sighted. What they are called?
Short-sighted.
Short-sighted, because they can see the near objects clearly, but the far objects they cannot see. That's why they are called short-sighted. And why it's happening, we are going to discuss. Are you done? Are you done with diverging lens?
Sir, do you need to also write a definition, sir?
Yes, finished definition. This is only small.
Oh.
You are right it. After finishing the drawing, then you write the definition. Finished? Hello? Are you done with it? Mohammad Saad,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Rabi. So why you are not saying that you are done? Waiting for
The
you.
mic, please.
You keep your microphone on. Don't mute it, huh? You see, we have another term that is called linear magnification. You write the heading linear magnification.
This linear magnification.
Yeah, then you write this formula. Linear magnification equals, you see, linear magnification m equals height of the image h prime divided by height of the object. in your previous diagrams, you got the image height, right? And object height. In projector you got the property of the image magnified, right? Isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir. We got
So,
magnified.
so how many times is magnified? You will understand it from this formula. Like your your image height is 4.5 centimeter. Then your object height is 3 centimeter. What is the value of linear magnification? Did you understand what I said?
No, sir.
I said your image height is, write it. Your image height is 4.5 centimeter.
Image
And
height 4.5 centimeter.
yes, and your object height is 3 centimeter. And what is the
Right.
value of M?
Sir, image height 4.5 centimeter. Another one.
Object height
Object.
is 3 centimeter.
Okay, sir. 3 centimeter.
Then you see what is the answer coming.
So then 4.5 divided by 3.
Yeah, what is the answer?
4.5 divided by 3. Answer is, sir, 3 by 2.
And what is the unit?
M. M, I think.
Yeah, what is the unit?
M, sir.
No.
Then
Your answer is 3 by 2, then you can say 1.5 in decimal points, right? Isn't it? You
yes, sir,
write
I
it.
can tell.
Yeah, 1.5. So 1.5, if centimeter and centimeter is cut, then will there be any unit?
No, sir. I
So
was thinking
yeah,
that, but sir.
linear magnification does not have any unit. It's the ratio of the
Oh,
same quantity.
okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
this
sir. Yeah.
formula,
Sir,
we can also write this way. M equals V by U. What is V? V is image distance. Look here, it's written here. You label V, after V you write in bracket image distance. Right here, it can be expressed as M equals V by U. V is for, beside V you write in bracket image distance. Then U is here object distance.
Junito also and the linear magnification aim is also related to distance
Yes,
u and
this one. It can be expressed as, not at all. First you write it can be expressed as M equals V by U. Then after writing VU, beside V you write image distance. Beside you write object distance. I'm making your life easier. Okay. Do you understand what is called image distance, object distance? Huh?
just explain sir like this
Yeah.
distance.
Thank you. Thank you for your request. Look, image distance we got here, right? It is optical center, right? Here in the center.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here is the object. So the distance between object and the optical center, it is U. It is U, object distance. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And from the optical center to the image position on the principal axis, it is image distance, that is V. So from here, optical center to the image, the distance we have, that is called image distance. Now it is clear?
Sir, one more time, please.
Yeah.
So
Here we have the
complicated.
object. Yeah. Here we have the object. From object to optical
Hmm.
center, the distance we have,
Hmm.
that is called object distance, U.
Object to optical center. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
That is
We
U,
call it, sir,
object distance.
object distance. Okay, sir.
Then from optical center to image, it is called image distance, V. Is it
Okay.
clear
Sir,
now?
can you write it, sir? Yes, sir. Image distance. So from object to image is image distance, and from object to optical center is
From optical center
okay.
to object. Everything in lens, we calculate everything from optical center. Okay?
Okay, sir. From optical
Like the
center.
focal length, we got it from the optical center focal point, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So everything we calculate from optical center, right? Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
And I think optical from optical center to image from our optical center to distance.
Yeah. Should I write here the
Clear,
definition?
sir.
Should I write?
Understood.
I'm writing also. The distance from optical center to the object. Is it clear now? Kazi, is it clear now? Hello?
Sir, Kazi is disconnected, I think, sir.
Okay, then object distance. Oh, this one is image distance to the image. Should be image, yeah? And from the optical center to object, that is what? Object distance, right? Is it clear? So,
Yeah.
then the distance from optical center to the image. I think now you are clear. So, Muhammad Saad, can you please take a snap of this and send it to group so that next time Kadi see it, he can understand.
Yes, sir.
Please do it. Then there will be no problem, inshallah.
Yes. Take it.
Just wait. Wait for a while. I have to rub this. Then I'm writing again, no problem. This one.
Sir, I have taken a snap, sir.
Just wait. I'm rubbing and writing again. Just wait. There was a problem. Before that one, you took the snap or now?
Yes. Before the
Okay,
problem. sir.
just I'm writing again. Wait. The distance Take another one, huh? The distance from optical center to the object. Okay. Now you take. Now you take. It is better now, huh?
Yes, sir. Taken.
Take and then send it now. So here we are done with a linear magnification, and also we got some ideas numerically. Done. Taking snap is done, right? And sending is done also.
No, sir. Sending is.
Okay. Please send, and then as you can see. Now we have here some discussion on the one we just discussed at the beginning, that short-sighted eye and long-sighted eye. Before going to a short-sighted eye and long-sighted eye, first we understand how the good eye is working, how the normal eye is working, how the healthy eye is working. Okay, that one you write first. Right here,
What, sir?
uh,
How
how
normal I healthy?
how the normal eye is producing image. Normal, we are saying healthy eye, right? That one does not have problem. Healthy eye, right? Okay. Have you written this heading, everyone? Hello? Hello, Rabi.
Sir, hello. Can you hear my voice, sir?
Yeah,
Hello.
I can hear your
Yes,
voice.
sir.
Rabi, Tapkat, you keep your microphone on. Anytime I can call you, huh? Because this discussion is very important. If you understand now, then you can understand everything, and you can go clearly with next steps. Look here, this is one of the wonderful creations of our Almighty, that lens in our eye, it can be changed, right? Look, here the lens is a little bit thicker, right? Isn't it? Are you seeing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For the first position, the lens is little bit thicker, and for the second one, you see the lens is thinner. Okay, so our lens can be changed according to our need. If we want to see the closer objects, the lens is behaving like this, the first one. If we want to see the far objects, like anything far away, one signboard we want to see, one building we want to see from far, or anything we want to see from far, then our lens is working like this. The lower one, the bottom one, okay? So you see how the lens is working, I'm explaining now. When object is closer, that time we need to you see the rays are coming from closer points, and we need to converge those rays to get them on our retina. You see, here is retina. Retina is the screen where the image will be formed. So to get the image formed on the retina, we need a thicker lens so that we can converge the rays more. Is it clear? Hello. Hello.
Yes,
So,
sir.
uh, and by that converging, we are getting the image in the certain place. Okay. and we can see the object properly which are closer. And for the second condition, you see when the rays are coming from far away, at that time we do not need to converge the rays that much, isn't it? We have to converge them little bit. That's why we do not need so much thicker lens. We need a little bit thinner lens. That's why the muscles here,
Do
they
not
are,
here
yeah,
we don't need to magnify.
yes. So that time we our muscles here, those are extending the lens and making it thinner. And by this process we can see the far objects properly, and the image is formed on the retina properly. So is it clear to you? What happens for the people they who have a problem with eyes, like the person who cannot see the closer objects properly? Their this lens is not enough thicker. Do you understand? Hello? The
Yes,
people
sir.
who has the lens are not that much thicker, or they cannot do their lens position changed to make it thicker. That time they need some extra support from outside. Hmm. And that's why they are using the glasses, which is helping them to converge these rays in the proper place. We will see that. We'll see that later with more discussion, more details diagram. Just I am giving you some ideas. And for the person who has problems like your age, young people, uh, they when they see the far object, you see, for playing too much video games or any other problems, their lens is thicker, but they cannot do it thinner. And because of this problem, their uh, the position of the image is coming a little bit earlier. Uh, Here they are getting the image, so they cannot see the things properly. Their image is becoming blurry. Is it clear? Hello?
So
Yes, sir.
You will
But this is,
understand it.
sir,
The
like biology, sir.
Yeah, the image are coming forward. Huh? I will show you more explanation. Just you now understood about the normal eyes, and you draw these two diagrams, please. You write the heading, draw these two diagrams, and label. You also got this thing in biology?
Yes, sir. We
not
had
like
this
this,
thing
sir.
before.
Yeah. The
And
same
not
way,
like
the like short-sighted eye, long-sighted eye, this way you got.
no, sir.
No, sir. How images were produced in the eye?
Okay. Okay, fine. Then short-sighted eye, long-sighted eye also you'll understand later on. If you understand about the normal eye, then you can understand the problems, right? And how to solve it. Yeah, Mohammed Saad,
Yes,
can you
sir.
please send again this image, please? Finish drawing quickly. We have around 6 minutes. In our recording 6 minutes, but in your school timing we have only 3 minutes. So
Sir, no problem, sir. It's a break, sir.
yeah, it's the break time, I know. So you finish drawing, then we can leave, no problem. If you are done now, then we can leave. We will discuss the other part in our next class. We have 6 lesson, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 4th lesson. In 6th lesson, we have more discussion. And today, hopefully, we will, inshallah, finish this topic. And from next class, we'll do the worksheet. Okay, and we are planning to have your test on this topic on Wednesday. Not this Wednesday, the next week Wednesday. Is it clear?
Yes.
Wednesday we have class or Thursday we have class?
Sir, I think
So
Thursday.
Thursday. So we have to do it on Monday. Monday we have 2 lessons. The second lesson we will do the test. Okay, from Thursday we will have revision. When I was in university, then even after that till 2012, I had to use glasses. Are you
yes, sir.
listening?
You told one time, sir,
Yeah, but now I do not need.
because of Kalijira. Right, sir?
So what?
Because of Kalijira, sir.
Yes, yes.
You told
Black
one time.
seeds, then the water from the holy water from Zamzam, then dates. All these things I am taking. And then also another one is there, almond. Do you know about almond?
Sad should try.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then not only sad, they are going to be sad. They should also try, right?
Oh, sir.
If you are
Yes, sir.
if you are taking from now on, then you will not have this problem. That is more better. Prevention.
Protection.
Yes, prevention is better than cure, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Always.
so are you done, everyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Drawing
This
is done.
this diagram is already in your group. From there you can take. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we can stop it here, right? Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much. Huh?